Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to update a microphone driver in Windows 11 so you can fix sound input issues and improve microphone performance. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the search bar on the desktop, type Device Manager and press Enter. This tool lets you view and control all hardware connected to your computer. Step 2. In Device Manager, find audio inputs and outputs and click the arrow next to it to expand the list. This section contains your microphone and speaker devices. Step 3. Right-click on your microphone name and click Update Driver. This option allows Windows to check for newer software for the device. Updating the driver can fix bugs, improve compatibility, and enhance audio quality. Step 4. Click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now look online and on your computer for the latest available driver. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions if an update is found, or close the window if it says the best drivers are already installed. This confirms whether your microphone driver is up to date. Restart your computer if prompted to apply changes properly. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.